Part 2 of the pack opening. I'm just recapping on what I got. Got the Mermail Abyssland. I think I said that right? Probably not. High Priestess of Prophecy. Pretty sweet. Mermail Abyss Gaius. Probably just destroyed that one. Pretty sweet. I like the artwork. It's the Wall of Illusion. Nordic Relic. I'm not even try to attempt it. Looks pretty cool though. Adhesive Explosive. Another pretty sweet one. Abyss Squall. Cameraclops. Infinity Destroyer. Another cool one. Pretty good artwork on it. Probably my favorite one here. Archfiend of the Gulper. Then we get into the pretty sweet ones. I got lucky enough to get pretty sweet. And then while opening the War of Giants Battle Pack, I got these pretty cool ones where it has the hologram